Hello, hello, hello. How is everybody doing this great Tuesday night? Almost forgot what day it was. It is September 24th at 7:20 p.m. Central Time. So this is the Asian market. So I know I made a quick short an hour and a half ago. I was in a long position. Well, guess what? It sold it. That means I have close to $700 red trade on my belt. Okay, I lied. 560. Not as bad as I thought. So I am starting the night off with negative $560 in the hole. That's not fun. But look where it fell to. The 38.2% Fibonacci. Pretty much hit it directly on and came right off of it. So let's see if we get a retest below it. Or are we going to push up? Right? Let's check the little news feed. Federal Reserve's 50 BPS rate cut marks the start of the rate cut cycle. Equity, blah, 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 bliggity, blaggity, blue. All right. Okay. Well, that one trade did not go well. So how far can this thing fall before reversing? Looks like it's holding fairly well up on the 38.2. So I'm going to go ahead and buy along. And hopefully we can get a push up because my entry point was somewhere up here. Let's see, 48, 58, 68, 246. So my entry was like right here somewhere. So I entered around 6 something. So this was my entry level. Let's see if I could go ahead and bring that up real quick to see my fills. Show fills, right? That was my enter. I bought up here. Wow. And it was so. So we do the line. Should trade lines. Yep. Okay, no, I apologize. This is where I entered along at 189, and this was the fill of the long position where it stopped me out. So it is what it is. It happens. We are on the NQZ4. Get that in there. Just get this like here. Something different with my picture. Right? Ain't that? Or maybe it's just all the lines right there, right? We have the 38 or 30. Yeah, 38% fib right here. My entry level, which is 148. And the low of the day, which it just hit again, was 143.5. It's the low of the day. I think it's going to go up, so I'm just going to stay in another long position. I set that bad boy down here, hoping it wouldn't hit it, but just goes to show you. So 560 losing, right? Yep, 560. Jeez. Gotta make that back. Go ahead. Get that real quick because I think it's gonna fall. There we go. Push up, baby. Nice little push up. Let's get it. Let's go. Can we get up? Can we get a little 30?
Stop failed.
A little 40 piece? Is it? Yep, a little 40 piece right there.
Would have failed.
Go a little heavy handed, see if I can't make that 560 back real quick. Since we got a little bit of upward momentum. Can we get some more upward momentum on this trade? Might be able to. Come on. Let's get a little momentum going right here. I'm in heavy. I'm in with 10. It's pretty heavy. Push. Push up. 250. Push up. Don't grab it.
Stop failed.
I grabbed it. It's all right. It's all right. It grabbed it. It's okay. That was an extra 250. What's going on, man? Got one person in here. How you doing tonight? Hope all is well. I had a $560 losing play because I had a contract open earlier. Hey, Norianne, what did I start with? What do you mean? Oh, for the capital, 300,000. So I'm currently down $2,333. So I'm down 2,300 roughly. I had one position open from an hour and a half earlier, and I had a stop loss. So I'll show you the trade. I'll show you what it was. My fills and my orders. So earlier, a couple hours ago, I bought along here, and I was going to hold it overnight. So I closed everything out. So when I come back, I just now got live. It fell, and I had a stop right here at 161.75. So that was a 560 loss. And then this play, I just made two plays. 150 on that one, and a 40. So I'm up 190 in this area right here. I'm up 190. So I'm just trying to get that 560 back. Basically, is what I'm doing. Are those numbers tomorrow in USD? No, that's USD. $20,000 United States currency. How do you get into this? Do you make enough to not need? So I've been at this for going on 4 years. I'm just now getting to where I'm profitable each week. I'm able to withdraw, take a request out every 10 days off of this prop firm, which is Apex. But the take profit trader, that prop firm, you can request a withdrawal every day. Do you make a lot during the Dogecoin era? I did not touch Dogecoin, but I did touch Shiba Inu. I only made about 4,000 off of Shiba, but I screwed myself because I prematurely pulled out of my position. If I would have held for another 4 to 5 months, I would have had close to $60,000 off of the Shiba Inu coin. But that was back when COVID hit. What was that, 2021? So I don't currently hold any Dogecoin nor Shiba Inu. The only cryptos I hold personally for long term would be XRP, HBAR, and Bitcoin. Are you looking to get into the trading futures area? What do you do currently? I'm gonna go in long with one position.
Order filled.
So my entry is 153.25. I knew someone that was invested in something that was like Wiz or Wix, and he put in I think 100. And last time I talked years ago, he was at 30,000 off of 100. I work from home as a dispatcher. Okay. Yeah, so this would be a great avenue for you since you're at home. How I got started in the futures in this sector of trading is I was trading options. I was trading Tesla options, Nvidia options, all that. And I just stumbled across a couple of YouTube videos and I learned. And then I just jumped into it. I funded my own account. And then I started working with prop firms. So now I do this. I don't work at all. I recently just quit my 9 to 5. I was a mechanic for Honda for 5 years, and I was a mechanic for Mercedes-Benz for a year and a half. And I'm about a month into this full time. I'm a full time father as well. I have 3 kids, so I'm a home dad, and I trade futures all day. No, nope, nope. Basically, what you would do is, so the firm that I'm trading with currently, that you're looking at right now, the website's called Apex Funder Trading. You go to Apex Funder Trading. I'll show you what it looks like on my phone because let's see, Apex Funder Trading. Let's see if I can bring it up. This is what the website looks like on the cell phone version. You go there, you pick. Yes. Yeah. Robinhood, Coinbase, and Binance are just strictly like just buying stocks, buying options. This is trading. I'm trading directly off of the Nasdaq itself. So the Nasdaq is comprised of your tech sector, your Apple, your Tesla, your Nvidia. All the stocks are compiled into one thing, and that's what this one thing is. It's the Nasdaq 100, the top 100 stocks, tech stocks. And this prop firm is called, I'm going to write it down on my chat, Apex Trader Funding. Do I lose often? Yesterday was a losing day for me. In the whole $2,000 right now from yesterday. But typically I do okay. Like my wins outpace my losing days. My winning, and that's what you want. You want your winning days to be a bigger winning day, and you want more winning days than losing days, of course. It's rare that you have 5-day wins, but it does happen if you play it smart. Edward Mensah, hello. What's up, buddy? What's going on with you? I was just here talking to Miss Nora Ann about the futures sector of trading. How much did you bring in during the week when you first started? So when I first started this right here, 4 years ago, nothing. It was just strictly learning, losing money. I lost money for the first 3 years. I'm just now. That's good, Edward, man. I'm glad you're doing okay, my friend. I'm doing okay-ish. I'm trying to get this trade into a green position, not a red position. So when I first started, so it's pretty hard to learn. It's easy to learn. The hardest thing is to learn how to handle it mentally, right? Because if you're in a winning trade, right? If I'm in a play, if I was up 1,500, $3,000, right? I exit the trade. Now comes in your mental, let's call it just your mental stability, right? You would think, hey, I made 3,000, I can make another 3,000. Well, that's not always the case, and especially when I first started learning, I would be up 3-4 grand, and I wouldn't leave it alone for the rest of the day. I would make more trades, I would overtrade, and then I would lose that, and then lose some on top of it. So you have to know when to walk away. If you're up 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, you just want to stay away for the rest of the day. So, Edward, I've been trading overall everything for about 7 years, but futures, I've only been trading for the past 4 years, and I'm just now within the past 10 to 12 months, I've just started becoming profitable, learning how to control my emotions, how to say, if I'm down 800, 900 in a day, just walk away. Don't try to revenge trade, because if you try to revenge trade and try to make back what you lost, you tend to just lose more because you're not in the right mental area, you know? So I'm gonna set a stop loss down here below just 23% Fibonacci. So if it falls, like completely falls down, like it did up here, this is my safety net to make me not lose more than I'm willing to lose in this one trade. Edward, do you know there is a tool that you use to see the CME NYMEX orders in futures? So you have about in there now. Okay, so the number you're seeing, 20,100, that's just the price of the Nasdaq. That's not the number I have. That's the price of the whole market. And Edward, there is a tool for that, but I don't know. So I can bring this up and see if this is what you're talking about. Give me 1 second. There's a thing called ticks, the TNS. This may be what you're talking about. Let's see if it is. These are all the orders that are taking place currently right now. Anything green is a buy and anything red is a short or sell. All right, Norian, for the taxes part, right? So how you would go about dealing with your taxes at the end of the year, it would be a 1099. Okay, book map. I got you. Give me 1 second. So say I have a $200,000 profitable year. You would basically just be hit with round about 38% at the end of the year. No, 20% is way low. It's going to be around 35 to 38% at the end of the year. All right, let's see if I can see that. You said a book map. Let me see. So short-term capital gains and long-term capital gains are different for each state. I'm in Louisiana. Futures, our tax bracket and futures are way better than you would say short-term capital gains on a stock. I don't know how. I don't know the legal logistics behind it, but it's better to trade futures in the taxes area. Yeah, it's still 1099 at the end of the year. I'm a subcontractor basically. So, Edward, for the book map, for that tool to see the orders, you have to purchase that extra. I currently don't have any stream revenue from YouTube. I'm trying to make my way up to that, but in order to get to that point of the YouTube sector, what's up, Stock Tiger? What's up, buddy? In order for that, you need 500 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within a year period. So currently, I don't make anything off of YouTube. What up, Tiger? How you doing tonight, my friend? Yeah, pretty good action. Okay. I also have a mobile mechanics business, so a lot of stuff that I buy, I do write off under my LLC for my mobile mechanics. Yeah, YouTube's got a big criteria. Do I think it's worth buying? Sure. I definitely think it's worth buying. Oh, look at that. It's coming down to the 23.6% Fibonacci. Now, is it going to fall all the way back down to the 0%? It's a possibility, but we'll see. I'm going to keep my stop loss down here at 131. I think it would be worth it. I'm going to purchase it. I haven't got around to it yet. So it's kind of rare that I do the live streaming for the YouTube at night, but I stream live every morning for the New York Stock Exchange Open. So my time, it's 8:30 Central. So I normally hop on at 8 o'clock in the morning. I stream all the way to 3 p.m. Sometimes 4 p.m. because the futures markets close. They end at 4 p.m. Central time. So I'll stream that whole time. Then I'll make videos. I make shorts. I just actually uploaded a couple shorts earlier. But I trade all throughout the day. I trade different accounts. Futures and Forex markets, a correlation. No, I don't think so. I don't trade Forex because it's not, say, established, right? It's not controlled like the stock market is. What's the significance of trading as soon as the stock exchange opens? So for me, when the market opens for the New York exchange to open at 8:30, it's a volatility. It's high volatility. It's way big moves. You see this big move that happened right here from the price level of 20,186 to down here. It looks like that in a matter of 5 minutes. When the market opens, it's just the price just extravagantly goes up and goes down, up and down, up and down. And I like that high volatility action. Yeah, Edward, a lot of volume, most definitely. You bought Bitcoin at like 8 p.m. before. Is it that different? So you buy in the AM and sell. No, I scalp trade. I make quick trades. I get in, and when I see what I feel like is a good profitable trade, I'll get out or I'll trail it, right? If the price is say if I was in a short right now, I would have my trail and stop loss somewhere close to it. And when it eats it, then I would reassess my position. So that's what you would call scalping. I get in and I get out super fast. Right now is just, I guess you wouldn't call it swing trading, because swing trading is when you buy in the very beginning of the day and you sell at the very end of the day. I don't like to swing trade. Not saying I won't try it, but just right now where I'm at, I like the swing trading because I can make quick scalps off the market. Whatever the opportunity it presents me, I'll take it. Why don't I like swing trading? I don't know. Yeah, like I said, I like the fast pace, get in, get out. There'll be days where I could get in with 6 or 7 positions, 6 or 7 contracts, make 3,500, make 1,800, and get out. And then I'll look back. I like to trade candle by candle. What I'm doing right now is typically not my style because I've been holding this position for the past couple minutes, and I typically don't do that. But I was bored tonight, so I just felt like I was gonna make a couple plays. $100? Oh, yeah, $100 isn't nothing. You can see I'm down. I'm down 120 right now in this play. So if it was to go in my direction, like I'm going long, I would be up $100 right now. So what I typically like, my personal mental number, what I want to make every day is $1,500. That way I know after their percentage, their cut, and after taxes, I know I'm bringing home anywhere between 700 to $1,000 take home after taxes and after everything. Edward, you're right, man. It's very emotional draining. If you're going to swing trade, my advice would be get in a position and close your computer out. Set your stop loss and just leave. Don't even look at it for the whole day, right? Because you're going to be watching it and you're just going to be exhausting your mental stability is basically what you're doing. You get a day. Yeah, normally I shoot for 14. Anything over 14, if I see $2,000, I'm getting out the position. If it's one scalp that brings me $2,000, I'm done for the day. I'll paper trade after that, just to trade. So last week it was a really good week for me. I think Monday I took home 1,000. Tuesday I took home 800. Wednesday I think I cleared 1,400 take home, so I made 2,800. It just all depends. I'm rich, rich? No. I have a lot of bills. I have a lot of bills. I have a mortgage. I have 3 going on 4 kids. So I'm not rich. I'm working on it. But what car do I drive? Oh man, you don't even want to know. I have a 2010 Honda Pilot. I've been having that thing for the past 7 years. I've got a 2010 Honda Pilot. I bought my wife a 2020 Toyota Corolla when it first came out. I bought it for her in 2019. How much money are you putting in? So for this platform right now, Apex Funder, you don't put nothing in. You pay a monthly due to the prop firm. And then they take 10% of your profits. So after your 10 days, why don't you try prop? Yeah, that's what I was telling her. Try prop firms. This is an Apex prop firm account. This is actually an eval. I'm trading this eval, trying to pass this eval. Yeah. So basically, what you pay a month, you pay the monthly due, right? Or you buy the lifetime. You buy the lifetime membership. Right now, for this account, would be $85 for the first 3 years. And then when you go to take your withdrawals out, they take their 10% right off the back. So if you request $3,000, they're taking 300 and you're getting the rest of it. That's how much money you're not putting in, but that's how much money you're paying these people to utilize their capital. You pay a startup fee for this account would be $50 right now. That's your entry to get into the evaluation part. Now you can pass it in 1 day or you can pass it in 2 months. It's all up to you and how you manage your risk. You know, I've actually, I think 2 weeks ago, I purchased a 300 account and I passed it on the first trade. I didn't have to reset it at any times. I passed it on the very first trade, but I went in with 35 contracts. That's something I don't suggest anybody do, but it's just that's what I did. Go short, John. Let me see. So all right, John. You see, I got my Fibonacci. My 100%'s up here. I got the 0%. It hit the 0, bounced off it. So what I'll do, John, what I'll do is if it stops me out here at the 131 where I have my stop loss and breaks it, I'm going to go short. Most definitely 100%. And then I'll watch it closely around this 0% Fibonacci. But right now, I have a feeling tomorrow is going to be a green day. So that's why I'm trying to stick with the longs right now. Market reversal. We'll see, man. I have a feeling the market's going to turn around and go green. But we'll see. You're probably right because I'm wrong a lot of times. I'm wrong a lot. I will say that. I'm currently down 500 on the night. So I am willing to switch my bias. I'm not going to tell myself all day, I'm going to go bull. 136. No, 136 is the low of this trading session. So I have my stop right below it at 131. Now these are the 1,000 tick candles. Let me go to we'll go to the day candle first, right? Let me close this Fibonacci out so we can see it. All right. Let me zoom in, get a wider spread so we can see these candlesticks properly. So right now we are at this resistance heavy resistance at 250. 20 and then 250. We'll go down to the 1 hour candles. You see what I'm seeing right here, John? I think we're going to bounce off of this macro bullish support, this trend line we got going on right here. I could be wrong. I don't know. But you're right. We are in a key area where it could fall out on me. And if it does fall, then I'm going to reverse my bias and go short. I'm the best trader you've seen. No, man, stop lying, Tiger. It's not about if you're right or wrong. It's about how much you make when you're right. You are right, Edward. You are right. $30 minutes. So it did break. It did break that hour trend line. So let's see. Go to 5 minutes. There's a bunch of buying right here. Look at the prior. Look at these prior candles. Bunch of buying, right? Bunch of buying pressure. Now we do have a bunch of selling pressure in this vicinity, and that's where we're sitting at. So that's what I want to see. That's why I have my stop. Let me bring my stop. So if it starts to break this and give me some real heavy candles, but you see how smaller these candles are getting, I'm thinking it's going to start reversing because these candles are getting exhausted. We had some good selling, some heavy selling. Now it's starting to wear out on us. So that's what I'm hoping to see, a nice reversal right here. That's what I want to see right there. I'm going to go back to my ticks. 1,000 ticks. Yeah, Edward's true for sure. Sounds like you lose 8 and win 2, but make sure your 2 is substantially higher. Yep. You're short right now? All right. Let's dump. Let's go. I hope you're wrong, but I want this to be a winning trade. Let me zoom back out and get my Fibonacci. Bring that Fibonacci up where it belongs. We're going to see, guys. Oh. John said just enter a short. You tempted me, John. You tempted me. I just might. Make you. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to put it right there. All right. And then I'm going to enter a long. Oh, shoot. Not that. I'm going to put that short right there below the 23.6% mark. Yeah, we'll see. bunch of buying right in this area. Let's see. I think the shorts are getting tired right here. We'll see. I'll raise the stakes and put two positions, two short positions. Watch it just, and then I'll be thanking you, John. Fall down all the way to the 0. 34. So we'll do a buyback. Let's see, 34, 24, 14. We'll put a buy right here. We'll buy those back. My stop is at 151, short at 132. All right, so you're short at 132. Okay. And you have a buyback up here, just below the 38.2 fib. Okay. All right, baby, let's go. Profit target 120. All right. How many positions are you in with your shorts, John? I'm always getting spammed off of Twitter. Get all these people saying, "Oh, are you a trader? You trade crypto? You're in with one short? Okay." Let me share a link to this on my Twitter page. Well, X. Let's call it X. Just so the people over on Twitter know I'm streaming right now. I get a lot of spam off of Twitter inboxes. Apex funded. Yeah. What size account, John? Come on, let's get a pop. Cool. Good. And you're in a PA, or you're currently in a evaluation still? Now, what I'm looking for, if it does break above this 38.2 fib, and a couple candles do close above it, I'm going to add to my position. PA up 8. Man, that's good, man. That's what I like to hear. That's awesome. Congratulations. How many more days till you take your next request, payout request? Hopefully you're soon gonna request a payout between 1 and 5. All right, cool. Uh oh, you're about to get stopped out, John. I believe your short just got bought back. I'm going to buy 19 accounts. Yeah, I'm kind of iffy on that trade copier stuff. I've heard a lot of horror stories on those. It sounds cool to trade freaking 20 accounts. I'm scared. I'm sketchy of it. I've heard so many people get 20 evals like right off the bat, just buy 20, right? And they'll freaking blow all 20. Just like I can't emotionally, I can't do that. Only do micros? Okay. That's smart. That is for sure smart. I do micros on my personal trade of 8. I shoot for like $25 a day on my personal account. I trade 2 to 3 micros. Once I see $25 in green, I close a position out for the day. I'm trying to work that. I'm trying to work my personal account up. So I gotta, you start small. You're long now. You put a stop at 139. Where's 139? Okay, that's a good stop. So if you bought your entry position was like 150, so 139 is $21. So I know 20 points with one position would be $400. But micros is, of course, 1/10 of the size. I work for a film called NSDT for a firm. Okay. What kind of firm? Like a law firm? NSDT. Let's see. NSDT firm. Stock firm. Oh, shit. Okay. All right. What do you do? What do you do at the stock firm? You a risk assessor? I don't even know like how many positions firms. Come on, man. We need a group of day traders. Okay, cool. We need to break past this 38.2 freaking strong. We need to break it strong. Just trade futures. Yeah. I love futures. I trade options for traded options for 3 years before I found out about futures. So I've been trading futures for the past going on 4 years. I'm just now starting to be profitable. Not to say I wasn't profitable for. Like I would get a payout and then blow the account. I'd get another eval, pass it, get the PA, blow the PA, get another eval, pass it, make my way to get a payout, get the first payout, and then blow it. So it's not like I haven't been making withdrawals. It's just I can't consistently hold an account. The only actual funded account I have right now currently is with Take Profit Trader. That's the only funded account that I have. This is just eval on Apex, and I've been trading. This is like day number 3 right now. So I had it up to $2,000. It went down to 300. I got it up to 30, like $3,000, and this is where I'm at now. Yeah, trend. Yeah, we'll see. It needs to clear this 38. It's 38%. It needs to blow past it. If it can't blow past it and it creeps and trades sideways in this area, we just have to wait and see. I'm not a fan of trading sideways unless you're going heavy. Unless you're going heavy and you catch 5 or 6 points with like 10 positions, and you can trade within a cavity. But I hate trading within little small cavities like that. I'm not great at it. It's just gambling when you're messing with that kind of trading. That's why I don't trade the Asian markets typically, but I was bored and I was like, you know what? Let me just go on and just make a couple trades. I love the New York Open. That's my favorite time. Anywhere from 8 to 10, that's my sweet spot. I don't really trade power hour. I don't trade from 2 to 4. Sometimes if I do, I'll do micros just to get my toes in the water. But I don't trade minis during 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Come on, man. We need to break this freaking 38%. Stuck. What I really want to start doing is I need to purchase, what's it called? Order flow. I need to start learning how to read order flow because that's what all the big firms use. They don't use candlesticks. They just strictly focus on order flow. And that's when you could start really making some, knowing, like pinpointing where the aggressive buyers or sellers are at and just roll with that. I think it's only like $200 for a decent software. Thank y'all, man. I got 2 more subscribers. I don't know who it was, but I appreciate it. It was either John, my new friend Edward, or Nora Ann. I don't know if Nora Ann's still here, but I hope you're still here. Big Dog stopping in. What's up? What you eating for dinner? We already ate. We had shrimp. I made shrimp pasta. It's pretty good. Appreciate y'all, man. Much love. Steak fajitas. That sounds good. All right, John. We're gonna see what starts to happen here. The volume's starting to pick up a little bit. Let me get that out the way. I don't really need that, honestly. Volume is picking up. So let's see. Oh, let me. John. Oh God. It bought back my position. Now I'm in with 2 because I bought 2 sells. Here we go, man. Buckle your freaking seatbelts. All right, see you later, Dill. What in the world? Hate it when that freaking happens. All right, I'm in 2 short. I'm in 2 short. Good thing you weren't a short. What was that? How much was that a loss for me? 310. That was a 310 loss. All right, John. I'm in short with you now, buddy. Let's go. Let's short. I gotta sell a freaking stop somewhere. Up here seems good. Here we go. Let's see the selling. Here we go. Well, we know the volume picked up. We clearly just seen it. All right. 21.55. Okay, so you have it above the 38. Okay. Good luck. Good thing I was in a short. Yep. Push down now, baby. You want to go short? Let's short. Let's go short. I'm going to bring this here. Yeah, we'll keep it there. Why not? Do you have Trading View? No, I don't have Trading View. Do not have Trading View. All right, it's for sure going to this 0. I'm going to sell 1 down here. I'm going to buy it back. Once it gets here to the 0 mark, lock in at least 1 position. You have a killer setup for me? What you got, John? What kind of setup we got? Go to trade view, type radius trend. All right. Radius trend. Let's see. Fuck. All right, something's going a little slow here. I don't see it. I don't see radius trend on the active the community thingies. You think my stop loss is okay up here at 148? You think I'm a good spot at 148? I think it's all right. Oh. These freaking kids are loud as hell. These kids doing. It's creeping back up on us, John. Oh. All right, I'm back to my entry. This is where I entered this trade at 134. Hey, y'all calm down. Y'all making entirely too much noise. You took profit on your short? Cool. I want to ride it, man. I want to ride that wave all the way down. So I'm going to stay in it. I probably should have got out. But then once I got out, it probably, my thinking it was going to freaking fall. We'll see. I think this 38 right here, I mean, this is a 23. This 23 is going to beat the resistance now. We'll see. I'll get out if it starts to creep back up. I don't want it to hit my stop right there. Gotta pass this damn eval. What I got? 48.3. Going one more. Puts me in at three positions. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, price. Let's pick it up. Let me get this stupid trend line I got up here out of my face. Oh. Come on, fall if you want to fall. Go ahead and fall. I won't be mad at you if you fall. I won't be mad at you one bit. I'll fall down here. I'll sell one. I'll buy one back at the low of the day. Hopefully it falls down to the low of the day. There we go. Push it. Push it down. Push it down. Push it down to the ground. Come on, keep falling. My boy John said it's going to fall, so I believe him. After all that freaking red, right? Look at all that red. Woo. Come on.
Nope, Josh. About to go to bed. I'm just putting this downstairs.
All right. Right.
I'm gonna need a bed tomorrow, same time. I did most of my turn. I just gotta pick a content. You streaming right now?
Yep.
What's up, Fed?
Market stuff today. When you say that, see coin for sure. Okay. Come on, guys. Let's pump this market to the flow. Push it to the floor, not pump it. We want to push it. Ooh. I never really have any great luck during the Asian market. I don't know why I'm freaking trading. I guess because I'm a glutton for punishment. Never really learned my lesson. I've had some really good nights on the Asian market, but typically, like around 10 p.m. to 1 a.m., I've had some really good nights. This early is kind of like the slow roll, unless you just knew it was gonna fall and shorted from way up here. You got it's 185 all the way down to it's damn near $60. Come on. we got 5 people in the chat, man. What's up? Trying to make this short happen. Let's see if it's gonna happen. Come on. Come on, John. Push it down to the floor. Push it down to the floor. Down to the floor. Down to the floor. How far am I off? Ain't bad. $7. Go down $7 so I can get one filled. Just fill one for me, and then I'll fill another one down here at the. I'll try to get another one filled at the 0% fib. That'd be cool. Fill one here, and I'll still be open with one. That's what I want. Come on, man. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, John. Let's short this. John, are you back in another short position? Or are you just spectating the market right now? Sell. Sell $5 more. Sell $5 more. Let's go. $5 ain't nothing for the Nasdaq. Come on. Right there. I'll even bring it up. No, I'm gonna leave it right there. I ain't gonna touch it. $400. Sweet. Come on. Grab it. Grab it. 400 profit. Good. Good. My P&L is not so good right now. My P&L is let's see. Fill it. $0.25 away from the fill. My P&L as of right now. Hold on, let me see if it fills this first. Screw it. It's gonna fill it regardless, even if I don't. I'm down 680 on the night. I have 190 profit and 870 losers. Hopefully we get a good profit right here. Come on, push. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. Or it's not gonna fall. Stop at 135. I'm gonna put mine at 39 3/4. No, your mom don't want you to use your phone, especially to call him. Come on, push. Here we go. The bid and ask are getting closer to it. Come on. Come on. Let's go. It's going to tease me. It's going to tease me. I feel like I got to take at least one contract here, right? Because I see it might be reversing, man. I'm gonna sell all 3 right here. I just don't want it to reverse on me. You know what? I'm not. I'm always antsy when it comes to the slow trading. I can't just wait. Guess you just got to trust the process, huh? Sell right now? You killing it, damn. No, Tiger, I'm down right now. I'm up on this, but I'm down. Let me plug my laptop in. Hold on. All right. You want me to sell the position right now? Tiger, I'm up on this play, but I'm down on the night. Keep 1 instead of 3. Okay. I don't know. I think it's going to sell it right here. I think it's going to get it. I think it's going to buy it back. That was a lot of selling pressure right there. Put it at 30, 75. $30.75 is where I'll keep my stop at. It touched it damn near tight. I was what, 50 cents off? It could have grabbed it just out of sheer being nice. Nah, screw, I'm gonna do all 3. I'm not gonna do 2. Just because I think if it does rebound, it's gonna rebound past this 23.6 mark. That's just what I think personally. Look at this 111, right? I'm gonna stay right above that 111. You already made profit. Yeah. I'll bring it down some. There we go. Catch that. Go down here and buy it back. Buy it back. Buy it back. What you doing, baby? Get some more food? Hello, Josh and Tyga. Hope all is well. Same to you. Same to you, NQ. How you doing tonight? Trying to lock in these little bit of gains. My boy John said to short the market, so that's what we're doing. Doing just fine, brother. Cool, cool. Awesome. Let's see what we got. Let's see what. Oh,
Stop filled.
all right. So it got all 3 of those. Let me take these off of here. All right. Now, let's just see what happens. I really don't want to touch it in between here and here. Just because you just never know what's going to happen in this little area. What's your trade setup? So right now, I really don't have a trade setup because I typically don't trade this time of day. So I'm just looking for anything that it gives me right now. So basically what I want to see, I guess, right now is to have a nice green candle hold above just 23.6 Fibonacci. And if we can get some good stable candles over here, I'll go long and then get out right here at 38%. But if I don't see a decent candle close above this 20 something Fibonacci, I'm not gonna go long. We may get a rejection, and then I'll short. If it rejects, of course I'm gonna short it. You're long now. What a 122 stop. Well, you're trading micros. I can't have that much distance between stops and entries. If I went in right now and put a stop at 122, that would be roughly $220 that I lose on that play. So I gotta kind of keep a tight stop per se. Right now I got a 5031 trailing drawdown. So I'm back up from where I was a little earlier. NQ, man, you did good yesterday? I hope you did good, man. I did the same as usual. I did pretty good on one and then not so good on the other. We're going to see what happens here. If you're going to go long, I'm going to go heavy. I'm going to go with 5. I want to see another nice green push up, and then I'm going to jump in with 5. I need a little bit of confirmation, though. I can't jump in with 5 right here just because it's going to shit on me, basically. We got 9 people in the chats, man. What's up, guys? What's up? We trading the Asian markets tonight. It's a little weird. I'm not a big Asian market. Left future. What's up, man? You coming from France? Where you watching from? Yo. I want to go in with 5, but not quite sure what it's going to do right here. My boy John's in long right now. I'm gonna get in a second, see what's happening. If I don't see a setup with it, I ain't gonna mess with it right at this moment. I hope it goes up for you. Le Futures, where you at, man? Where you at on this planet? I'm in the States. I'm in Louisiana. Oh, come on. Let me see. Let me go to the 15-minute real quick and see what that looks like. Let me get this damn trend line out of my face. Get a decent perspective on what's going on. Okay, we're in a bullish trend line. Let's start here. Work our way down, right? These are the 15-minute candles, y'all. So
Order filled.
I'm a short 5. Come on, move down a little further so I can set a fucking buy. Go down. Go down some more so I can set a buy. There we go, right there. Don't buy it back. I don't want you to buy it back. I just put it there for safety.
Stop filled.
All right, it took it from me. It took it from me. I should have waited. I should have waited. That's what happens when you get nervous. Freaking. Hey, Josh, did you get that drop this afternoon? I was short ES. No, I did not get it. I was running errands. I had to take my kid to get his hair cut. Went to the grocery store. So I didn't trade this morning. I did miss. I seen it though. I don't know what to think about this position we're in right here. I think you were right all along, though. I think we should go short. Looking at it. Let me look at the hours. Let me get this out the way so we can see what's going on. Fall here, went back up, fell down. Oh, man. I don't want to make the wrong play on this.
Order filled.
That's what my gut tells me to do. Shorten's what my gut's telling me to do. You set me a buy right there. And I'm just going to trail it. I'm not. Fall.
Stop filled.
150. Now watch it fall. I should have stayed away from it. I didn't trade this afternoon, Thomas. Oh, what happened? I think it's going to go down to 2,100.
Order filled.
I'm in a short. Come on, baby, fall. To the 2-minute candles. Down 350 on this freaking tree. It's going to fall. It's going to fall, like you said, my friend. Fall. Break that. Break it. Just let it go. Come on. Just let it go. You ain't got to be scared to fall. Give me one big push so I can get me a little stop right here. There it goes. I'll bring that right there. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Stop filled.
Took 2 of the 3.
Stop filled.
Took all 3. It took all 3. Oh, man. It took only 2 for a second. And then it took all 3 of them. But a scalp is a scalp. I'll take a couple little small winners. Try to get my juju back, man. Let me go long with 1.
Order filled.
I'm in long with 1. I'm going to set a stop right here. You know what? I'm going to bring the stop down. Hopefully we get a nice bang up. Come on. I'm not messing with 5 contracts right now again. One's good. I'm happy with 1. Now when market opens tomorrow, I'll go on like 3 or 4. 3 or 4. I think it's gonna go down to 20,100. That's way down here, buddy. You think it's gonna go that far? Possibly. Let's see where we're at on the ticks. Let me take this and remove it, and then now sorry for all this moving around. I gotta get this Fibonacci up here real quick. There we go. You can clearly see this. Oh, yeah. Let's go up from here. Let's push. Let's push. Let's push. I want to see it squeeze up about $70, right? $70 would be a nice push up from where it's at. So that would be 94. That's way up here. It for sure ain't gonna do that. It might push up to the 38.2, but we'll see. Coming up back on my entry. My entry is 127. Come on. Blast past that entry and blast past the 23.6. Where y'all at, guys? Come on. We got 7 people up in here, man. How y'all doing tonight? Thank you for stopping in. Enjoying the show. I'm currently down $70 in this trade, but it's okay. It is okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Give me a big green candle. Don't go red. Don't go red on me. Ugh. It's going to turn around. Push. Go, go. Don't go red on me. Down 120. 15. Come on now. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Come on. Come on. Come on. I hope it goes down to 2110. I mean 2100. Losing money when the trend is short just to hold on to a losing long. Yeah. It's going to reverse, though. It's going to reverse. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Ooh. Ow. I am holding on to a losing trade, man. Come on. This is where buyers start aggressively buying here. It's got to, right? Look at all that. That's where all this volume's coming from. Gotta be. It's gotta be. Zero edge nor strategy. Yeah. Right now, you're right. I am not going to argue that one. Zeph, you are 100% right on this trade. Just holding on to a what's the quote? A something and a prayer. Praying that it makes a reversal. A wing and a prayer. That's it. Some song. Come on. Cut it so that you can see the market clearly. Oh shit. Not bad. Your stop are perfect, which is what saved you so far. Yeah. Yep. So even though I got several small losers, I just need a one decent size hit. You know what I'm saying? Like earlier, I went in with 5 and caught 150. I caught another 100, whatever it was. Once the volatility starts picking up, I'll be all right. I'll come out of this little hole. I think I'm, down 300 right now? So down 300 on this Asian market for me is not bad. Makes no sense. I don't understand EB short majority of the trades and then went the biggest size long. Right. I'm just trying not to lose more than 1,000 tonight. That's my objective. I know it sounds stupid, but I'm not trying to lose more than 1,000. I'm down 300. Maybe I'm just seeing something different, right? Maybe it will fall to the 0% Fibonacci, but then reverse off of it. That was my hope. So that's why I'm stuck in this long position of a mind frame right now. Makes no sense. Sometimes that makes no sense. So my specific edge is not right now. I'm more of a high volume. I just ride it. I jump in, stupid high volatility, 4 to 5 contracts, make 800, 1,200, and I get out. Playing this game isn't my game. So my edge is early morning trading, 8:30 Central my time. And some may say that's not an edge, but my winning days outpace my losing days substantially. I'm just on here right now just to mess around with this eval. See if I can't make 1,000, 1,100 tonight before tomorrow. Yeah, Zeph, I should not be in the trade tonight, but I was bored. That is my excuse. I was bored. I was sitting in bed. I could be trading my paper account. I could be trading on my Trade of 8 personal account. It comes with a $50,000 paper account. I could be trading that. I should be trading that. All right, here we go. What did John? John said, what is zero edge? I don't know what zero edge is, my friend, but I'm pretty sure it's what you're looking at. Come on. There we go. There's a little luck for you, huh? A little bit of luck. Let me get this out. Just to make sure I get out of that freaking losing trade, I'm just going to bring this up a little bit. All right. So typically when I get in early morning, I'll get in a play. And once I'm in the green, I'll trail this price action. I won't get too close. I'll stay like $6 to $7 away from where the market is actually at. That way the bid or the ask doesn't eat me up. So it's at 135 right now. I'm going to keep it at 130 for a little bit. That's basically how I trade in the morning. I go in with 4 or 5, hop in the direction where I know it's going to go, and then I just trail it. That's all I do. All right. 23.6%. Let's see if it holds it. It's probably just going to crash below it because it is in a freaking fall. But I could look up and it just jump up 40, 50 ticks, 40, 50 points. Come on. 35.25. Bring this up just a little bit. 100% lucky trade. I'm not even going to even try to play it any kind of other way. I just had a feeling it might reverse around this 0% Fibonacci area, right? Sometimes you just got to take trades that you feel it might happen. I wasn't in with 6 contracts. That would have been fucking stupid. But guess what? One little mini ain't going to hurt me. It's A-okay. Tomorrow's another day. Come on. I think I'm too close to the price. Could be wrong. I don't know. Close it? No, John. There's no fun in that. What if I miss out on a $30 move? I'm right behind it. Look, it's right here. What's that? $4? If I close it out right now and then it just jumps up $20, I'm gonna be kicking myself in the ass. That makes no sense. I'm in the money. A win's a win. It falls down here. That'll be a $95 scalp. I'll even bring it up one more. See what happens. Thomas laughed. Yeah, why close out a winning position when there is a slight chance that we could just see Worst case scenario, it just falls and it eats my stop, and I profit $95 or 100, whatever it's going to be. But see, I'm just going to pull it up a little bit closer and closer. A little bit close. I'm probably too close, honestly. It's gonna fall. I mean, there ain't no doubt. There ain't no doubt in my mind it's gonna fall. But I just so happened to just get inside a lucky trade. You know, that's all it is. There was no edge to that. There was no edge to that play. Oh. Come on, pump. Pump for me. What is she doing to my damn son? Oh, she must have gave him my son. He's about a year and a half. He'll drink his milk, his bottle of milk, and when he's done, he gets upset because he won't get another bottle of milk. It's like, dude, you just killed a whole cup and a half of milk, bro. That was close. It was only 50 cents off from taking it.
Stop field.
There it is. There it is. All right, John, what's our next move, buddy? I'm rolling with you tonight, my friend. You think it's going to fall down, or is it going to stay above this 23.6? Oh, man. Yeah, waiting zone. I'm with you on that one. Do y'all want to see any other time frames other than this 1,000 tick? That's what I personally prefer. I like 1,000 ticks. But if y'all want to see something else, 20,150. All right. Y'all want any different candles? I can do 5 minutes. It don't matter to me. $21.50, huh? Where's that at?
Order rejected.
That's up there. Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna go in short right now. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna go in short right now. Yeah, I'm gonna go in short right now.
Order filled.
And I'm gonna put a buy right above. Oh no, not 3. I'm gonna put a buy right there. I think this Fibonacci line right here is gonna hold it off. What the hell? Where's price at? Oh, there it is. Come on, fall. Oh shit! No, I want that there.
Stop field.
The freaking ask ate it. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. You're short one position right now at a stop of 137. Yeah, that's what I just come out of. It just that was like maybe a $10 little scalp. I'm gonna wait. I don't feel comfortable at right where it's at, to be honest with you. Just because I think it's still gonna I think it's gonna break this level. What is that, the 23? Let me bring this over so I don't have to keep scrolling over there to see what freaking percentage that is. This can actually come up just a tad bit. All right. I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. Get some water. Oh. All right, I'm back. I didn't miss anything spectacular. Oh, short. I don't know about going short, John. Not quite sure about that yet. I see it. I clearly do see it. But I just can't convince myself to do that yet. I think you're right though, because this 23.6 area is strong. It's looking to be strong, honestly. I'm scared. How's everybody going tonight? I see y'all in here. Just had 11, man. Ooh. They clicking on and they're like, oh, this boring dude ain't doing nothing. Swipe. I'll be doing that sometimes at night, just scrolling through the live feed, seeing who's on. I like watching them dudes that be in the casinos and they live in the casinos playing the machines. Man, I'll be scared to go to the casino, me. I lose $20 in a casino, I get mad. We got 12, man. What's up, y'all? I think 12 people is the most I've ever had at one time in here since I've been doing the live streams for like a week and a half, 2 weeks now. $137 stop. Let's see where you're at. Okay, so you're right there. That's a good stop. Unless it does what it did to me right here and just went, brah. It freaking took it out. All right. Let's see what it wants to do. It's got me wondering what in the hell does it want to do? Clearly the market's red. But that don't always mean nothing. I'm gonna go long one.
Order filled.
Sort of sell at the low at the bottom of the candle. I think we might get some buying pressure through it, maybe. Just to get in early if it does. Just a guess, not 100% sure. Ain't nobody 100% sure when it comes to this. Damn, what up, Win? Yeah, just a shot in the dark, to be honest with you, buddy. I get a little $15 scalp.
Stop filled.
All right. Every little dollar counts. Where you from, Win? I know a bunch of Wins down here. I know Win's a popular name. Canada. Woo. I'm all the way at the bottom. I'm in Louisiana. There's a bunch of Wins around here. Are you in a current position right now, Win? Or are you spectating? Not yet. Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting. Brian, what up, baby? I see you. You want to go long? Yeah. I'm thinking long, but I don't know. We're right at the bottom, about a 0% fib. What I have right now. Let me zoom out and show you. Show you my little chart that I got going on right here. And we got the 100% way the hell up there. So I'm thinking this 23.6 may be a decent resistance and it kicks back down. But I'm waiting to see if we get one or two candles that close above this 23, then I'm gonna go long. But as of right now, it's slightly rejecting off of this Fibonacci. John, you went long? One said if it gets above 141, he's going to go long. All right, so you're going to go long right around here. All right. I don't know when, because this green candle could extend to the 141 to the 142, but come back and then start a red candle. So I want another candle just to confirm that it closes above the 23. But I see where you're going with it. 121 stop. Okay. I want to go long right now. I do. I really want to go long. But I just, I don't want to take the chance. Just because that last play I was in, when I was in red, and it just so happened to luckily go green for me. I don't like being in that type of situation. So I don't mind sitting here 10, 20 minutes to get a confirmation candle. You know, sometimes I just abruptly go into a trade just because I'm feeling it. But I mean, it's not. I made some bad trades like that, especially going heavy. But we're gonna see. I'm gonna wait it out for another 5 minutes and then make my decision. I could miss it though by then. You're in a long, you'll catch it. I'm gonna miss it, but you'll catch it. If I see the volume start picking up above 2,000, whatever direction, I might go ahead and make a play. There's not enough volume for me. What's up, guys? See y'all, man. Thanks all for stopping in. I'm currently just waiting for the right point to make my execution. We're gonna see. Thank y'all for hanging out. Much appreciated for sure. I got people on Twitter hitting me up, man. Still streaming. Come check me out. Probably some crypto promoter on Twitter inboxing me. I don't know if that happens to y'all, but a lot of times I get 14 watching now. Pow! Let's go, baby. Just ain't right. What up? I see you, baby. Where you coming from? Where are you currently residing in this wonderful planet of Earth? See, that's why I didn't want to go long, because I couldn't come to doing it. I wanted to. I was that close from clicking the freaking buy button. Volume starting up, well, picked up, then it dropped off. Just ain't right. Hello, hello. What is up, my friend? Little party signs. Let's go, baby. Now it's starting to turn around, guys. Should I go short? I think I'm gonna go short. No, I'm not going short just yet. Man. I think it's headed south. Yeah. I think it is too, but I want to see what this next candle's going to do. By that time, I could miss the whole fall, though. I wish I had order flow, man. Any of y'all use order flow? So instead of candles, you have the numbers with the squiggly lines, but like it looks like a volume, but it's got numbers on it. I really want to learn how to get into order flow. What do you think of a target of 106 NQ short? So right now, just ain't right. I don't know what it's gonna do, just clearly because this candle's still stuck on this 23.6% Fibonacci. So what I'm personally waiting for is this next candle to open, and that's going to be my deciding factor. Because right now, even though it's below it, it's still within this candle, so it still could come back up green and make its way north. I'm bullish on this right now, just not in this current situation, because this candle could break. We can get this next candle, it could fall. So if this next candle is red, I'm going to short down to the 0 if it does that. But like I said, this candle could rise back up and then carry on. So right now we do have some selling pressure. Nine EMA, SMA, and VWAP. So I used to do EMAs, and the VWAP's a great tool. But I've been let down so many times with the 200 and the 9. I did a 7, a 20, and the 200. I used to run those 3, right? If one crosses below the other, you're short. And I had good luck, but I had more bad luck than I did good luck. So I just stopped using it. So I'm gonna put it up there that we're gonna do a 9 and a 200 with that simple mover. Okay. A 9 and a 200 simple. We're gonna do a 9, and we're gonna do a 200. We'll do the 200 in blue. That blue's good. All right, so let's zoom out and check it out. And then for shits and giggles, we'll throw a MACD up there, right? We'll throw the MACD on there just to see what's happening, right? So the MACD's kind of telling us we're looking at a turnaround. We're not quite there yet, but we could start to see a curvature. So, and then the little bars right here are getting shorter. So I'm gonna go long with 2.
Order filled.
Just on a whim, right? Just on a whim, I'm gonna go long. And then I'll set my stop, I don't know, somewhere. Oh, it's only 1. I'll set my sell down here. And we'll see how that plays out. I was going to wait for a confirmation candle, but why not? When in Rome. It touched the 9-day EMA, SMA. I think I just entered into a losing trade, but we'll see. We'll see how this one pans out. boy Stock Tiger went live. Be nice to get a push above that 9-day exponential. We'll see. We'll see what Tiger's doing. There we go. We get a nice push up. John, you still in your long? Here we go. Here we go. Let's get some action. Volume's picking up just a little bit. Let's get about $6-7 up. I'm gonna go ahead and set a trail and stop loss somewhere around here if it pops up in this range. Is the MACD still gravitating towards the north? It's hard to tell. That's why I really don't use the MACD too much. Come on, let's get a pop above this 23%, baby. Short light looked like a play with a 138 stop. All right, so John's short, and his stop's at 138, which is going to be up here. I'm going to bring my stop up right there to the 120. Come on, baby, push. Come on, volume. Come on, we need some freaking volume in here. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Brrrr. Ta 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 ta. 14 viewers, 13 viewers. What's up, guys? John's in a short and I'm in a long. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna get out the long as soon as I start seeing some green. I'm gonna set me a trail and stop. If I see green, not gonna say I'm not saying I'm gonna see some green, but if I get some green, I'm gonna hurry up and set a stop. That way I make, hopefully 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks. Unless it really freaking pops. There we go. Come on. Get up a little bit more. Get up a little bit more so I can set this thing. Oh, it's playing with my emotions. It's Playing with them. Come on. Push. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. We got 16 people. What's up, guys? Currently in this small, long position. Come on, let's get a good pop. There we go. There we go. Set me a little trailer. I don't want to get too close.
Stop filled.
It took one of them.
Stop filled.
It took two of them. That's all right. A couple